sabi pa ni Angela, oh, it's a chocolate. Here's is a chocolate. Kasi nga, it's a 4. Apat siya na flavor. So, ano ba yan?
That's a joke.
It's a joke? So, this is a joke. This is Filipino style, Angela. We do not throw the box of the ice cream. So, we put something inside, like fish or meat. So, I'm thinking this is a meat inside. Beef. You know, marinated. But it's not. It turns out it is a... Fish! Okay, back. Put this back to the freezer. Only have one left gelato. This is. So, wala na. So, akin yan. Kinuha niya. So, wala na.
Gelato.
Gelato.